Or should I start record?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So, hello, ma'am. Tell
Yes.
me about your English journey, ma'am. How long have you been learning this language?
Okay. Actually, I've been learning this language for last 3 months, and these days I am only doing conversational videos. Like I try to have conversation with different people so that I can become fluent in this language.
That's really nice. That's really nice, ma'am. So, you'll definitely become fluent in this language because you are practicing and you are trying to do your level best. So,
Yes. Yes.
because if we are doing our work like with consistency and with determination,
Yes.
that time is going to work for us, right?
Yes. Yes.
But you are doing like 1 or 2 days, and after that you stopped, right? You
Yeah.
stop your journey. That is
Yes.
it is not going to work for us,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
that's why I try to have one at least one conversation in a day because sometimes it becomes difficult to connect with someone. So I generally do this thing.
okay. So how long? How old are your children?
I have only one son. He's 4 year old. 4 years old.
Okay, 4 years
Yeah.
old.
And how old
That's
are they? And how old are your children?
my elder one is 12 years old. My younger one is 4 years old. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So busy in your as you are a homemaker in your household chores.
Yes, yes, ma'am. I don't have much time, but English is my passion to learn this
Okay.
language. So that is
Okay.
why
So
I'm
how
here.
long you have
And
been learning?
yeah,
How
that
long
is
you have been learning this language?
I have been learning this language for 11 months ago.
O-
Okay,
Okay.
I started YouTube journey for 5 months ago. Right.
Okay. Okay.
Earlier, I was not able to speak even one word in English. Okay,
Okay.
and yeah, it was not my cup of tea even. And I I was person. I was very shy, and I didn't want to talk with anybody, even in Hindi. Right. So, but yeah, I wanted to learn this language. I was so eager to learn this language, right? When I was in the college, I was observing to other person how were they speaking to each other in English. And most
Yeah.
of the time, when I went like in a hospital, that time I was observing to the nurse, like nurse were like every nurse were talking to each other in English. That time I was feeling very much like I was thinking one day sooner or later I will learn this language, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And it was it was going this thing was going on in my head again and again frequently, like I had to learn this language no matter what, which kind of circumstances I will be faced in my future, but even
Okay.
then I have to learn this language, right? So when I
Okay.
got this mobile, so after getting this mobile, I learned a lot of things like how to do yoga, first thing, and second thing is how to learn English, right?
Okay.
Two things, yeah, I learn, and I am very happy with both, right? I'm
Okay.
getting
Yeah.
yoga is giving me very good results because now I am very fit and healthy, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
my weight is not like over, okay,
Okay.
and yes, and English is going on good with me. I am very happy with this language, really.
Okay.
And yeah, I try to talk with the people, different people, and every people are really very good, and I am getting a lot of positive results from them, like you,
Yeah.
right? Yeah,
Yeah. You
because
are speaking well, and within no period, within a short time, you have learned this language, and you are speaking well. So you are also working hard to learn this language. And what methods did you adopted while learning this language? As you said, you hadn't any knowledge. You didn't have any knowledge of English. You were not able to speak even a single word. So how did you learn?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Actually, when I was starting my journey, like I'm talking about English, so that time I wanted to learn, but it didn't occur in my mind, right? Like how to learn English and how to connect with the people. So that time, after getting mobile, that time I was listening a lot, like conversational video and any kind of English content, right?
Okay.
But in initial day, I was unable to understand anything. And although, ma'am, I'm telling you, English was my subject when I was in the college, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So I know what is English, and this is language, this is subject. But if talk about language, then I was unable to speak, right? But if you really want to do something, if you really want to learn something, then no one can stop you,
Yes,
right?
yes, yeah,
And if you decided by yourself, you have to do anyhow at any
yeah,
cost.
yeah,
That
yeah.
time,
I'm a,
yeah,
yeah,
that
I'm
time
Karen.
matters.
So yeah, I was saying I am utterly convinced with you. Now you can carry on.
Okay. So that time I was listening a lot, and after listening, I tried to speak all those words. I tried to imitate after watching that video. Like, firstly, I was watching and then stop, and then I try to repeat whatever they
Okay,
were saying to each other in that conversation. So
okay,
this is how I learned. And
okay,
one thing was better for me. Like I found one of my friends is online, and she also wanted to learn this language. Then we both decided if we talk to each other each and every day, then it might be possible for us. We can
yes,
learn English both, right?
yes, yeah,
So
yeah.
we started to talk to each other by audio call, and still we are talking to each other by audio call each and every
Okay,
day. Yeah,
okay,
like
yeah. It will change.
30 to 40 minutes in a day. We try to
Okay,
talk. But yes, I can say one thing. I am not good at any topic, right? If I talk
okay,
about any topic, I am unable to speak about that topic, right? I am very good in casual. But yes, right
okay.
now I'm trying to do my level best, and sooner or later I will be like, I trust
Yes,
and I believe on myself. One day I will be fluent in English.
yes, yes. Gradually, you will definitely become a good speaker, and you can't say that you are not a good speaker. You are speaking very well, and as you said that you are not able to speak properly on different topic, but you spoke well on yoga. You
Yes,
spoke
but
very well.
sometimes stuck, ma'am. Sometimes I got stuck.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
It happens. It happens with everyone because we
yeah.
have to speak random on any
Yes, right.
topic. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So can we wrap up this session?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, definitely.